This video shows how to back up and restore a Linux EC2 instance in AWS. The process begins by identifying the backup target, a basic Linux EC2 instance. After establishing an SSH connection, a file containing unique data, My Linux Instance, is located on the instance. This file will later be used to verify that the restore process successfully preserved the original data. With the EC2 instance identified, the next step is to create a backup policy. Navigate to the Backup Policies section and create a new policy named Demo Policy. Ensure it's enabled and assign the Linux instance as the backup target. Save the policy, then trigger the backup immediately. In the backup monitor, the status of the demo policy can be tracked. Once complete, the backup is marked as successful. To confirm, navigate to the snapshot section to verify that the backup was created. Return to the EC2 console and access the snapshot section. After refreshing, the latest snapshot from the demo policy should appear. This confirms that the backup process was completed successfully. With the snapshot ready, the recovery process can now begin. To restore the backup, open the application and access the backup monitor. Locate the relevant policy run, click Recover, and select the Linux backup demo. Choose to recover the full instance. For demonstration purposes, the default private IP address is removed so AWS can assign a new one. With settings confirmed, initiate the recovery. Progress can be monitored in the Recovery Monitor. Once completed, the restored instance will appear. After recovery, a second EC2 instance named Linux Backup Demo is now visible. Its launch time is later than the original, confirming it was created from the backup. Connect to the new instance using SSH and run cat unique_data. The content, My Linux Instance, confirms that the data was successfully recovered. This concludes the demo of the backup and recovery process. Thanks for watching.